Haro igi uhuthiri wa maratathi ma minyore guku bururi-ini niwonanitie maciaro. Uhoro uyu ukiheanwo ni mwandiki wa kamitii ya kurumirira uthingatithia wa mawatho ma maria maturigiciirie John Kipkorir.
In the past, I think for the last 1 year it has been successful. In fact, the issue of plastics, you can see when we are in Sholo, and if you would come here 2 or 3 years ago, you wouldn't believe it. You would be seeing a lot of plastics up in the trees. But today, there's an improvement.
Oho Kipkorir ni augite urehi wa maratathi kuma mabururi maria turiganitie na njira ya ngungo niguo muhinga munene hari bara ya kuhukia maratathi ma minyore guku bururi-ini.
And as environmental ombudsman, we cannot allow this to happen again. I know NEMA should up their game to work very closely with the security arm of the country to ensure that there are no illegal plastics being brought to this country.
Kipkorir ni oritie honge cia augite gwikirira kio hari gutigirira ni maikia ngono ari othe marehaga maratathi maya guku bururi-ini na njira itagiriire.
We are actually saying it should be enforced to the letter. We are not actually lacking any legal framework. We are not lacking any legislation, and therefore the only thing we need to do is the people who have been given that responsibility to take care of our routes, to take care of our roads, to ensure that there is no illegal stuff being brought to the country should stop.
Hari kugitira maria maturigiciirie, Kipkorir ni oritie andu kugitira mititu amu niyo ihumo cia mai. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV riakwa ni ngiri wa Kinyanjui.